What's up guys, Chartsmith here, back again with a new video, and it is an Avantis one, because there has happened something really interesting and we could be cooking something. Let's start where we ended yesterday. Yesterday I pointed out two demand zones where we could bounce from, this bigger demand zone and this refined zone. As we can see, right now we are holding support in our refined zone so we can clean up a chart and get rid of the bigger demand zone. Yesterday I talked about if we are gonna trade into this zone, I'm gonna look for shorts to continue trading lower to at least the demand or maybe even liquidity. We never got a test back in our zone. We also can draw in this bigger supply, but let's keep our chart clean and just have the refined zones in there. But yesterday I said, even though we have this distribution, which the technical target of is already long gone hit, we started continuing trading lower as a result of this new project was really hyped. If the price is gonna go against the dumb retail money that buy it in early, then people are gonna get bearish, gonna blame the project, etc, etc, etc. But if we looked at price action and at our chart, we still knew that we had on the 12-hour a market structure pull that brought us towards this high. What does this mean? Everything in between this low and this high is internal. So internally, yes, we can be trading down, but on a higher time frame, we still expect a higher low and a new higher high. I talked about this being our last resort to look for that higher low and to trade higher towards a new higher high slash all-time high maybe. Is that realistic instantly? No, of course not. We have supplies where we can reject from or liquidity points, etc. But we could be cooking something bullish right here on Avantis. Because if we zoom in, on the 1 hour we can see when we got into our demand, we had a structure pull towards the downside. We made equals. Equals most of the times mean we are gonna need more liquidity from the highs until we are gonna take out these equals. We don't even have to take out the equals, but it is still a possibility. So with this pullback, we took out the internal liquidity, making it a valid lower high. And right now, as you can see, we have broken this high towards the upside. This means that locally our trend has switched from bearish to bullish. And right now we are expecting to leave open this low, and in between this low and this high put in a higher low and a new higher high. So this, in combination with this demand zone and holding our 12-hour low to hold until now, we can zoom in more and look for local zones where we can look for confirmations we can trade higher. We have this structured demand, which was the last place where sellers tried to push price down, as you can see right here. A last place where sellers tried to take over, they can't. Buyers push price up over the high, and from here we got the break towards the upside. So irrelevant demand to look for local confirmations on longs. What would that look like? Do something like this. Make pullbacks, break that pullback towards the upside, also giving us a low time frame confirmation. We are gonna respect our lows and take liquidity from the highs, and then there we can look for an entry on our higher low. So this is the first zone to watch. But we also made equals over here. And we are rejecting from a supply, which we can refine a bit by doing this. So let's put in the refined zone. We are rejecting from this supply, so we can still take out this equal low, these equal lows, and this liquidity we have over here, because we also have this demand. So this, with taking out the equals and the local liquidity, can also be a PY zone to use and trade higher. We are gonna need these local confirmations, otherwise this change of character doesn't mean anything and we can just start trading lower, instantly break below our low to hold again. Let's mark that in a chart and we can just go lower on Avantis. But right now there are reasons to look for longs if we get the confirmations. And that will be it for this update on Avantis. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel to be updated on more videos like these on coins like Avantis and other crypto pairs, stocks or the Nasdaq. And if you want to be updated throughout the day in real time, make sure to join the free Discord community. The link will be down below and I hope to see you there. Then I will see you in the next one. Ciao!